Hi, I'm Jane Gates. I'm the landscape designer and the owner of Gates & Croft Horticultural Design, and I'm also the author of All the Gardens a Stage, my new book from Schiffer Press. And I'm here today to talk to you about, well, mulching versus leaf removal. And I just want to tell you why it's so important. You can certainly remove leaves when they fall down from your trees, when they come off of your other plants, but mulching is really a better choice. Now, the leaves can be left down sometimes even over the winter, and they'll create a mulch of their own. But once it starts getting to springtime, you're probably going to want to chop them up. If you have a lawnmower, you can get a mulching lawnmower that will cut them up. You'll also find that most lawnmowers cut at the grass, if you don't let it get too high, into small enough pieces that it'll be just a natural mulch on your lawn. You can also take leaves from trees and put them in a barrel and use a string trimmer and sort of like a big salad mixing bowl, or a blender, and let it go around and chop them into a nice fine mulch. You can put them in a compost heap and let them mulch down further, or you can just leave them where they are. The nice thing about using leaves as a mulch, rather than, well, raking them up, which of course means you have to bag them or put them in cans and bring them to get carted off, the best thing to do about leaving them, the best part of leaving them, is that they will form a nice little blanket over your garden. And as they rot down, they'll form nutrition for your plants to grow in. So your grass will get fed by leaving your leaves on the ground, your little grass stems that are cut off. And certainly the same thing with your trees. Sometimes tree leaves get awfully big, so they do have to be cut a bit smaller, whether you do them with a string trimmer or put them, you can even do it through one of those little chopper shredders. There are some small ones you can get that are ideal for the home. Great way to bring them down to small size. Use them to mulch your gardens. Use them to mulch under the tree. It'll keep them nice and warm and comfy. Mulch will help the soil stay more moist underneath. It'll work as a blanket so that cold air doesn't freeze the roots. And then it'll go down into your soil and make it richer. What a deal! You can't beat it. So I would go for mulching rather than removal when it comes to leaves, whether you're mowing or getting it from your tree. And that's it from Jane Gates.